the biggest story of the day. We are tracking the row over the burnt cash that was found in Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma's official residence continues to escalate. And in the latest, we have the Allahabad High Court Bar Association launching an indefinite strike outside the Allahabad High Court, demanding the impeachment of Justice Yashwant Varma. They are also pressing for an FIR to be filed against Justice Varma. Now, this is something, viewers, the nation has not really seen before. The chorus to bring accountability in the judicial system is growing louder. The ongoing protests coming in against Supreme Court Collegium's order to repatriate Justice Varma to the Allahabad High Court. The president of the Allahabad Bar Association has said that the repatriation of Justice Varma to his home court is not a punishment but a price. And we'll be joined shortly by him as well. First, let's take a listen into what Mr. Tiwari had to say during the protest.
जिस दिन ये खबर बाहर आई थी कि यशवंत वर्मा के ऑफिशियल रेसिडेंस न्यू दिल्ली में अनअकाउंटेड पाइल ऑफ कैश वाज फाउंड, उस दिन ये स्टेटमेंट दिया गया था कि ट्रांसफ़र किया जा रहा है। बहुत इस चीज़ को क्वेश्चन करने के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दूसरा स्टेटमेंट आया कि ये ट्रांसफ़र इस केस से रिलेटेड नहीं है और उसके ये ट्रांसफ़र किस लिए हो रहा है उसके डिटेल्स भी अभी आउट नहीं किए गए हैं। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट?
यही तो शिकायत है हमारी कि डिटेल्स क्यों नहीं आउट किए जा रहे हैं। क्या पब्लिक को यह जानने का हक नहीं है कि व्हाट आर द रीजंस? क्या पब्लिक को यह जानने का नहीं हक है कि एक जज जो 14 तारीख से लेकर आज 25 तारीख है अपने टेंट से बाहर नहीं आ पाया, अपने दाग से बाहर नहीं आ सकता है, पब्लिक का विश्वास तोड़ चुका है, उसका ट्रांसफर और क्या आधार हो सकता है उसको यहाँ भेजने का? वाई ही इज नॉट फिट फॉर दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट? वाई ही इज नॉट फिट? वाई द जुडिशियल वर्क हैज बीन टेकन फ्रॉम हिम? Because he is a tainted man. Therefore, there is no excuse at all. Just if the system says that it is not unconnected with this cash recovery case, we are not going to rely on that statement of the system. System is absolutely incorrect at this stage.
Sir, if we talk about this particular case of transferring Yashwant Varma to his parent court, which happens to be the Allahabad High Court.
घर वापसी का इनाम है, ये घर वापसी का इनाम है। कौन नहीं चाहता घर में वापस आना? ये घर वापसी का इनाम दिया जा रहा है। जो कैश बरामद हुआ उसके पाइल्स कहाँ हैं? जली हुई राख कहाँ है? ये बात सामने आनी चाहिए कि अगर यशवंत जी को इस केस कैश के बारे में नहीं पता तो उस हाई सिक्योरिटी जोन में, लुटियंस एरिया में, वीआईपी एरिया में सैकड़ों पुलिस वालों के बीच में ये कैश उड़ के आए थे क्या?
सर, जो फर्स्ट डे 21 मार्च को ये सर्कुलर में अनाउंस किया गया था सुप्रीम कोर्ट कॉलेजियम के एंड से कि ही विल बी ट्रांसफर टू द पेरेंट कोर्ट, उस दिन आपका एक सर्कुलर आया था जिसमें बोला गया था कि इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट इज नॉट अ ट्रैश बिन एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट द ट्रांसफर। नाउ अगेन yesterday the collegium again went ahead.
It means since the system has the primacy, system is the final word. Under the constitution, system was never.
So this scandal, viewers, has emerged as one of the biggest cases in the biggest scandal that to hit Indian judiciary in the recent time, jeopardizing not just the faith of the people in the justice system, but also raising questions, stark questions as to the response of the courts in cases involving the practitioners of justice and law, viewers. In fact, this repatriation is being called as reward. We have Mr. Anil Tiwari, the president of Allahabad High Court Bar Association. Sir, thank you so much for coming on Republic TV once again, sir. You've been very vehement in your demands. You have said that the faith has been shattered, and you are saying that this repatriation decision is like a reward. And how do you see this, and what are your demands, if you could tell our viewers once again?
Look here, firstly I will say that my demand is not in vehemence. My demand is from the core of heart. My demand is from the core of heart. That is why I say that it is with vehemence. It's the core of heart. And I'm not demanding anything for the lawyers. I'm demanding everything for the people of India. The people of India, most of them are living in rural areas who have great faith in the system of judicial, in our judicial. They have great faith. I have been practicing since long. But at this age, I'm not ready to hand over my this profession to my family members. I'm not ready. I can't say them that go and purchase justice. I can't say them. If this is the scene, this is the scene, the faith of the people will go. And if the faith of people has gone, entire judiciary has gone, nation has gone, they will be searching the mafia courts in city around, and we will be getting justice by paying money to mafias. Do you want that this kind of situation may come in Hindustan? Do you whether our forefathers who have made this constitution, who have made this country a great country, whether you want to see that situation?
Yes, sir.
Now the is, I say this what word I use? Inside attack judiciary. Inside attack on judiciary. This is inside attack on judiciary when this corrupt machinery is saving a corrupt judge.
Well,
I have no faith.
Yes, sir. It's a very, very, very strong statement coming in, calling it an inside attack, sir. Also, we very quickly, I want to understand from you how you see justice. How do you see the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar's comments, as he has once again fueled the debate on the NJAC, the NJAC, and also slammed at how the collegians on the the Supreme Court over sidestepping this NJAC system, sir. What do you have to say on that?
Firstly, I will say thanks to Dhankarji. I will say thanks to Government of India who have heard our appeal. We have been appealing, we have been making appeals since 2-3 days for Government of India to intervene. Because now it is the very good time, correct time to revisit the collegium system.
Right,
and
sir.
therefore say that NJC like bill should come forward and government should come forward to protect us from this inside attack.
Right, sir. Mr. Tiwari, thank you so much for joining us with your response on the story. Of course, the fight for more transparency and accountability continues, viewers.